What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a motivation and an actual workout for everyone. The last time that I shared my favorite exercises, I have noticed that some people got really motivated and some people got discouraged because those exercises were actually advanced. This time I didn't want to leave anyone out, so today's workout is going to be great even for beginners. And the great thing about this workout is that you can take it outside, you can do it in your bikini, and you don't even have to leave your exercise mat or stand up. And it's a 560 rep workout, so it's going to be a challenge. So guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy today's workout, and if you want more workouts, I have hundreds of them in the Z Gym on my website ZuzkaLight.com. I have workouts for beginners, intermediates and advanced, and all of those workouts are real-time follow-along workouts. And don't forget that whatever you do, make sure that you clean up your diet, because diet is everything. And some of you already know that I have two really amazing meal plans for fat loss, targeted for fat loss. One of them is Z-Shred, that's low carb, and then one of them is keto meal plan. And as you know, keto diet is getting a lot of hype recently, and for the right reasons, because it's full of health benefits and supercharged fat loss. So check out my meal plans, check out Z Gym, and I hope you're gonna enjoy today's workout. Ciao.
Next level.